Hello, Internet. Now, today I got a little special treat. Decided to show you some of my anodizing techniques. This is one that is pretty basic. It's all about two different color anodizing, and we're going to use stencils and bead blasting to accomplish our pattern and our two-tone finish. Now, step one that we're going to do is we're going to take the Stinger XL scale, run it over to the flat grinder, and put a 220 satin just to even everything out. Now that's done, step two, we're going to run over to the Scotchbrite wheel to give it a slight orange peel texture. From here, we go to the single most dangerous piece of equipment in this shop, and that would be the buffing wheel. So we're going to do this very carefully, and this will give it a nice sheen, very high gloss finish before we do our base ano color. Well, now that this is all shiny, let's go ahead, we'll throw it in the multi-etch and let that sit for a hot minute. Now, let's throw the color on there. Let's bring the magic. Here we go, baby. So for this particular piece, I chose this fun little pattern. It's swirly. It's interesting. It'll work for what we're doing. Now that that's all masked up, let's run over to the blast booth. Now for the big reveal. What does the pattern look like? Did it work? Did it come out good? Let's do the bronze. Let's bring the bronze. Here it comes. And here's a two-tone finish. So yeah, guys, just like that. I don't want to call it simple, but there's a quick demonstration of how to achieve a two-tone anno finish with using a vinyl stencil that you can get at any arts and crafts store. Thanks for watching that, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comment section, and if you have any questions about anodizing in general, take a look at my anodizing video. I'll leave the link to that in the description. It's a good time. So have a great weekend, everybody. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you later.